Hello everyone, I welcome you all on my Udemy course Complete Salesforce Development. In this course, we have taken a practical approach to cover almost everything we have in the Salesforce development, including the fundamentals of Apex, including asynchronous Apex, triggers, test classes, and integration. And on top of that, we have also covered the solid principles and object oriented concepts we have in Apex. Most of the courses available on Udemy were focusing on a specific part of Salesforce development. Like if they are for triggers, they'll just focusing on triggers. If they are for Apex, they'll just be focusing on Apex, and same goes for integration. So the intention behind this course was to give something to the learners where they can get complete development idea and complete learning material related to the Salesforce development. Here we have started from very basics on what is Salesforce, what is multi-tenant, and then we have moved towards couple of more fundamental topics like what is Apex, variables, data types in Apex, and then we have drilled down onto the data types like what are primitive, what are non-primitive, and we have taken a practical approach. So we have only done theory whenever it is absolutely required. Otherwise, we have taken a practical approach to do something and then explain that. Apart from that, we also have the challenges and the practical questionnaire as well, and I've also provided the solution for that. And then we have taken a step forward to go through the operators and the if else statements, loops, collections, and couple of advanced topics which comes under the fundamentals of Apex. And then once we get a good understanding of all the fundamentals, then we have moved uh, towards couple of object oriented concepts like what are classes, objects, method, and how they all are connected with each other, and what are the Apex concepts we have. We also have a couple of topics related to keywords, where we have done everything on keywords. What are the different keywords we have: abstract, virtual, transient keyword, what are interfaces, everything on the basic part. And then we have moved towards the core object oriented concepts on what is encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, everything on it. And then SOQL, SOSL, we have triggers, we have DMLs. So we've tried to cover almost everything it. And then we have also moved towards the asynchronous Apex concepts, where we have gone very deep in all the asynchronous Apex concepts, along with couple of practical examples and the project related scenarios as well. And then once we are done with the test classes, we have moved towards the integration, which is going to be the key and one of the best features of this course. We have gone very deep in the integrations, starting with what is integration and all the terminology. We have gone through the details in authentication and authorization. Then we have moved towards understanding the REST integration in detail, understanding all the methods available. And we have built the custom REST APIs practically. We have done callouts from Salesforce practically. And then we have project as well to do some integrations in Salesforce. And then we did not stop there. We have gone through the metadata API and tooling API, and I am also preparing couple of topics on integration related to the integration pattern, where we'll be covering fire and forget, request and reply, asynchronous, platform event, and all those things as well. On top of all these things, we also have a module for headless 360, which is one of the key thing Salesforce has recently introduced in Dreamforce. So you will get practical exposure on what is headless 360, and we have done a project there to create a custom tool for us. Then this is a module where I'm currently working on, and this course is evolving. So based on the feedback we get, based on the pipeline I have, I keep on adding more content on it related to the integration, related to the latest thing in Salesforce. We keep on updating it again and again based on the students we have. Apart from all of these things, you will also be added on our WhatsApp group, where you can directly communicate with me and the other learners, and we keep on having the weekend sessions for the career guidance. For your doubts and anything, you can directly contact me or connect with me. We also have a interview preparation course. If you enroll for this Udemy course, you can get that interview preparation course on 90% discount, just on a very minimal price you can get that. So intention is that once you cover the learning part, you can use that to do the interview preparation as well, and definitely can switch the job. Now this is relevant for even the experienced candidate and the freshers. Experienced candidate can directly pick the topic which they want to explore more, or if they want to revise for their interview, or if they want to, let's say, enhance their skills on integration, asynchronous epics, any particular topic they can pick it. But a fresher or someone who is not very familiar with these concepts should go from the beginning and then should move gradually. Okay. We also have a project for the oops concept to build the trigger framework, and then I'm working on use cases for oops in apex, where we'll be doing couple of sessions on how we use these oops concepts already in Salesforce but we are not aware. Then we have a bonus module for solid principles. You also get all the interview question related PDF we have, which contains 3000 plus interview questions, and you can participate on the discussion on the interview preparation. So my intention with this course is to give you everything in a single course, so that you do not need to enroll for multiple courses for one thing in Salesforce. And I am constantly taking your feedbacks, and based on that we are adding more topics as well. But our approach is very simple. We are trying to do things practically, and then we expect students to do things practically and then come back to me in case if they have any doubt. So I'm very excited to give it to you, and we'll meet you there. Thank you.